What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here at MarineMax, Texas Mastercraft. Today, excited for this walkthrough. We have a 2025 Mastercraft X24 in. There's some awesome updates for 2025, so I'm really excited to show you guys. First thing I want to point out is this new magnetic blue. New colorway for 2025. I think it looks awesome with this gray. We also have some upholstery inside to tie it together, so let's climb inside and check it out. So on transfer the boat here, first thing I'm going to point out with this being the X series, you do get these surf seats on the back, which are a huge selling point for this boat. They also do have footrests that kick out, which makes it a really comfortable spot. You got cup holders there, transfer stereo remote to control the music, so really a comfortable spot and a highly coveted spot. So inside of the cockpit, first thing I want to point out is the tower. We have the Z8 tower on this X24, super easy to use, pulls up and down in about 3 seconds. So if you have bridges you need to clear, or when it comes time to put the cover on, super easy to put that down. Second thing I want to point out is the upholstery. We have an awesome 3-tone upholstery in here, oyster beige, beach tan, and the new electric blue accents. So it gives this boat a really unique look, but also one that I think it fits together really nicely with the other colors of the boat. So another one of the big updates for 2025, we do have a new helm seat, which is awesome. I've been on the water on it a couple times already, and it is just a little bit wider, a little bit more robust, a larger bolster seat. You have the cutouts here on the sides to kick your leg over, so this makes it a lot more comfortable and easier for the driver to turn while he's looking for the rider. All right, so here, this is what we're all really excited about for 2025. On the X series, we have this new dual screen setup. Right side touch screen, left side configurable like it has been the last couple of years, but the nice thing is we do have this new rotary encoder here, so this makes everything a lot more easier, everything right here at the reach instead of having to reach for the screen like you had to do in previous years. But we'll walk through a couple things here. It's like the drive setting that we've had for a couple years. Here's the new rapid surf setup, a little bit different look, but once I explain the coder, it's going to look a lot nicer for everybody. Your other tow settings, you have your wakeboard and skis here. As you look through here, it's all going to look familiar as to what the previous Mastercrafts had. So you have your music setting here, all your light options, all your toggles, GPS, camera, and then last your settings. The awesome thing about this year though, with this encoder here, we can go right to rapid surf, and it's going to pull us immediately to rapid surf, and then we can start messing with our settings based off of what we're looking to do here. So as we're changing the settings while the rider's behind us, you can just go right to this coder, switch your wave setting, and then you can also, there's a dedicated switch button if you want to do a transfer. So we're going to click that, and then have a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then it would swap over our surf wave to the right side or left side, depending on where we're at. Another awesome thing here is we do have foil settings preloaded in here as well. So as foiling has become more and more popular, Mastercraft is trying to stay up with the trends, add these in there. So awesome left beginner, left advanced, same thing on the right side. Up here in the bow of the boat, same thing you'd expect that you've come to know and love with the X24. Really spacious, comfortable armrests, cup holders, chargers, all the amenities that you love about this boat. Dedicated storage underneath as well still. So still the same awesome bout you'd expect in the X24. Thank you guys for tuning in for this 2025 X24 walkthrough. Mastercraft has some really big updates across the entire line for 2025, so be sure to tune in for some other 2025 walkthroughs. XT's revamped, NXT's revamped, so I'm really excited for this model year. If you guys have any more questions, hop on to MarineMax.com, check out all of our inventory. Outside of that, if you have any questions, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.